So, this little duck right here with the purple on her, my husband's dubbed her Violet, and I'm adding Brave on the back of her. For her second name, or it's a him, I have no idea. But this little duckling has been through the ringer. We put our ducks outside on Sabbath morning, to free range on the grass. And sadly, we lost 4 that morning. Almost lost this one. And by yesterday morning, we had lost another one. Stop picking on her! But this one is still kicking. She's still going. She's fighting every chance she gets. She's eating, she's drinking. So, yeah. I'm electing to call this one Brave. Hey! Stop. And I'm getting attacked by a duck. They're eating my pant leg. But this was breakfast time this morning. Aren't these guys just amazing? Who did that? Who did that sound? Was that you? We have a dog waterer for their water. And then I put their food in those 2 things. We're soaking their food now. So it goes a little further. Because these guys eat their monsters. Really? So, yeah. These are my ducks. They're doing awesome.